finances in general can be tough. Add in a 30-year age gap and you have an even bigger challenge.
I'm Keith.
And I'm Ashley.
Welcome to Richoux On Demand. Here is a safe place for us to learn and share our age gap relationship experiences.
So stay tuned. To get new age gap relationship advice weekly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the button below so you never miss an upload. We've had to combine our finances, and along the way we've figured out some tips and tricks that we think we want to share with people, and I think it'll help ease the process a little bit for others. Tip number 1, disclose everything. The last thing you want to happen is you don't disclose something vitally important to your partner and they find out, not to mention the incredible financial burden that can come along with that in you guys' new relationship. That trust barrier is broken and needs to be built back up from the bottom. So please explain and re-explain. And if you think you explained enough, explain again. Everyone needs to go into the situation with eyes wide open, knowing everything that they're dealing with as a couple. It's only fair. Tip number 2 is play to each other's strengths. Whether one person's better at budgeting and the other person is better at categorizing, whatever it is, play to each other's strengths. That way you both feel like you have an active role in what's going on. No one wants to feel like they aren't being heard and they're being told what to do 24/7. That's just a terrible way to start out a new relationship and bad footing overall. So definitely play to each other's strengths. What do you say?
I agree.
Play to each other's strengths. Our tip number 3, to be open to an alternate method. One thing that we found really interesting when Keith and I decided to become more serious was that Keith is a visual person. He literally writes when each bill is due on an erasable calendar on the fridge. I am an app person. I utilize apps and digital calendars to remind me of important payments coming up. So I think it was important for both of us to be ready to try an alternate method. What we figured out is that a little bit of both was actually the best option for us. So you want to just make sure you're not having a my way or the highway mentality when you come to combining finances. It's already a touchy subject. So definitely listen to one another and be open to alternate methods of doing things.
I agree. Totally.
I agree. Hey guys, Ashley here again. So a clip got deleted, so we missed our tip number 4. But tip number 4 is set your non-negotiables. This will help you not feel like you're giving while your partner is just taking. A lot of the times in relationships, you find yourself trying to maintain your individuality. So here we wanted you guys to remember to set a non-negotiable, something that you are not willing to budge on financially.
Comment below and let us know what your non-negotiables are. We really want to know.
Tip number 5, don't stress about perfection. Just enjoy the process. This time in your relationship is a time where you guys have gotten to a point to where you're serious enough to combine finances. Enjoy the fact that your partner feels this way about you and you feel that way about him or her. Definitely don't stress about having the perfect answers, the perfect inflow, outflow. That'll come and those things will settle into place. Enjoy the process. You'll be a lot happier. Well, there you have it. Some tips we figured out while combining our finances. So, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Find us on Instagram at Richoux_OD and come say hi. Until we see you next time, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.